Let's start. Set up yarn tail. Drape the yarn tail over your fingers. Stick the hook through that loop and yarn over. Work a chain stitch. And then starting with 6 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. Continue to complete the remaining single crochet, 6 in total.
Got kick.
Stretching the loop with hook, convenient for next stitches to insert. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring, tighten the loop. Insert the hook to the loops. Work a slip stitch in the last stitches in this round. The first round is complete. Next, let's start the second round. Join this round, make a chain stitch at the beginning. In round 2, we need to work 6 increase stitch, means 2 single crochet in the same stitches. Place a marker in the first stitch on each round.
Got kick.
Continue to complete this round with 6 increase stitch. In the stitches that mark the buckle, work a slip stitch at the end of this round. Finish the second round. We are ready to start the third round. Join this round, make a chain stitch at the beginning. In this round, we need to make a set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase 3 times. We work a single crochet and place a marker. Then, work 1 increase in next stitches. So we have completed a set of the pattern in brackets. Repeat the pattern in brackets 2 more times. Work a slip stitch in the last stitches in this round.
Got kick.
Cut the yarn to make a tail. We will use this yarn to attach this piece to another. And pull it completely through the remaining loops on your hook from the last stitch. Cut off the back line and the first ear is finished. Follow this step and continue to do the other ear. In this video clip, we will teach you to crochet the wool part. Pick the white yarn and hold on it, joining the yarn to a closed piece length body part. Find the loop of stitches where we close, and insert the hook to the front of the loops. Hook the yarn and yarn over, then pull through the loop. Next step, start to work for chain stitch. After completing for chain stitch, the next stitch in the loop into which the hook is inserted. Wrap the yarn around and press the crochet hook in order to hide the yarn.
Get kick.
Continue to complete for chain stitch. Repeat this action to complete 2 to 7 rounds. The number of rounds is counted from top to bottom. This is how the wool part looks like when it is finished. In the next video, we will show you how to sew the parts together.